And we live on the other side. We live in West Memphis right now. Man, we right here posted up, man, trying to see what's up this river. Y'all see all that? That's not supposed to be there. All that's supposed to be water. And it's not covered up, and it's forming islands, man. We live on the river though. You know we finna mob though. Look at them rocks. Look at that. Oh, that's not supposed to be there. And y'all know we finna head over there. Let's go. And we live. Blackwood news. Come on, man. We out here. We live in the field. Finna head, go see what's going on. They said these islands right here are not supposed to be there. Are not supposed to be here, man. They're supposed to be covered up with water. See some people over there now. Walking. We live. I'm finna head to them rocks though. We finna head to them rocks. And we live. Blackwood news. We live in the field. Let's go. We live in the field. See what's up with these waters, man. Guess all this supposed to be covered up, man. Finna head over here to them rocks. Go see what's going on. We live out here. Got plenty of mud and shit. Hold on. Yeah, we live in the field, man. They said all this ain't even supposed to be over here. It's supposed to be covered up with water. We under the bridge, man. We under this junk. I don't know if y'all knew what I had to get to, what I had to go through to get here. We in the field, man. Come on now, Blackwood news. Seen the truck up there earlier. They got somebody else out there, yeah, but we finna head over there to them rocks. Finna head over here to them rocks, man. I ain't reading y'all comments, I can't see. Huh? Y'all know we out here, man. I can't be out here by myself. We live out here though. For sure, for sure. We finna head on them rocks, go see what's going on. I'm in my hiking gear and everything. I got my boots on. You left your glass, huh? We live. We on the shores, man. All this is not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be covered up in water, but the water gone. I hear the water go. Hey, let's see what. Hell yeah, I'm tired of here. We might find Pooh Shiesty gun, man. Might find Shiesty scrap. And we live. We finna head to them rocks though. Y'all know what's up. We in the field for real. This shit look like a beach. On no Blackwood news. But let's head this way. They done got, look, we see the footsteps. They done already been out here. Somebody, yeah. Somebody already been out here. Yeah, that quicksand sinking. Oh, this, oh shit, we need to head back up here. This shit sinking like a motherfucker. And we live though. We live on the other side. In the quicksand, this shit sinking, bro. Let's get up here on these rocks. Y'all send them stars, man. Y'all support the team. Blackwood News, we out here. We on the rocks. Come on, man. Let's see what's up this river. We out here on the other side. On the other side. All this is not supposed to be here. These islands like this are not supposed to be here. They're supposed to be covered up in water right now, man. What the hell's going on with this river? I don't know. That shit gonna be a long ass walk, y'all. No cap. And these rocks tricky as hell. Yeah, we live on the other side. We on the islands, man. This is not supposed to be here. This is supposed to be covered up in water, man. Did the rocks supposed to be covered? Nah. I think these are always supposed to be out here. Yeah. River ain't been that high though. Yeah. It doesn't get that high. But these islands and stuff like this is supposed to be covered up in water right now, man. Yep. That's why it's so dry. The water's supposed to be way up here somewhere. That's why it's dry like this, y'all. All this is supposed to be the Mississippi River. Nah, ain't nothing, man. I don't know what's going on. Ain't no fishes, ain't nothing in this water, man. I don't know what they got going on. A drought. And it's not just Memphis. It's the whole Mississippi River. This river goes 2,000 some miles, man. All the way up north. And it's affecting all these states. It is not just Memphis. Yeah, you know I gotta show the proof for real. We out here. But this water is not supposed to be here. These islands, these rocks, I think these rocks was always here. But that island right there, it's supposed to be water, man. All this is supposed to be water. I'm not supposed to be able to walk down here like this. And we live, Blackwood News. Hey, I'm not finna go down. Hey, you found some? They said they be finding everything. They said the boat's on the other side. They said the water was so low, they found a boat. That's on the other side down there. Down there by, ooh. Look, we not supposed to be this close, man. We live on the river. They said they've been finding everything, man. This shit's sinking, man. Yeah, we on the islands, man. I don't know if y'all knew what I had to get through to get here.
We need some lawn chairs and some music food. They don't want to be lit.
We got a biking chair. Come on, man. And we live, Blackwood News. Y'all ain't getting this nowhere else. And back on the rocks. We finna hit that island over there, though. Go see what's going on over there. Shit. to take a break. Look at all this. It's not supposed to be here. Hey, I was thinking about them bodies. Yeah, but them bodies probably gone though.
What about that little girl?
Hey, yeah. What about that little baby, y'all? Y'all remember old dude? They said he had put the little baby in her, in the river. Man, I know that baby gone, but they said everything is coming up. All this is not supposed to be here. I'm not supposed to be over here like this. Y'all know we is though, and we live Blackwood News. Under the bridge. We under the bridge, man.
And we live.
All this is supposed to be water, man. I'm not supposed to be down here like this. Let's mob. Let's go. Hey, we finna hit this island right here, though. Y'all know how we do. We out here. We finna get up at this sand up before we sink.
Hey, we might
this shit dry.
That's what
I said. That's what I said. And we live. Blackwood News. Yeah, that baby gone. I already know that baby gone. But that's how easy it is. Look at this, man. They got the barges so close. They are not supposed to be this close, man. All this is supposed to be water. It's nothing. This is like a damn beach.
I want to go over there. I know this shit look like straight sand.
We finna head over there. Let's go see what's on that island, man. We out here for real. Yeah, you can get away with a lot. Putting a lot of stuff in this river. You can get away with a lot, man. But now everything coming back up. I already know. Yeah. We finna head to this island, though. These water levels are crazy, man. We under the bridge. It looks like a beach.
Volleyball net and some more shit, cuz that hoe be turned.
It's a real hiking trip, man. I told you we out here for real. We in the field, man. I see some folks up there too. Look, they made a little bridge and everything. So yeah, they've been out here. They've been out here. Take a break on this log, man. Out of breath, like, and we live Blackwood News, man. We out here. Take a break on this log. We live on the other side. Blackwood News.
Hey, you should try it this way, bro.
Live and uncut, man. Come on, unscripted. Ain't no telling what's gonna happen out here. Hey, I'm finna post up on the log, man. I'm finna post up on the log right quick. We in the trenches, man. Hold on. Checking out this river. Blackwood News. Shout out to everybody who has sent me stars. Y'all send them stars out. And tomorrow my birthday on Halloween. Come on, man. Y'all fuck me. I'm out here for real. Look, all that's not supposed to be there, y'all. That's supposed to be the Mississippi River, but it's gone. Y'all gotta hold on for a minute. And we live. Little quick commercial break. Man, here. A little quick commercial break. Yeah, man. I got my boots on, everything. I came prepared. I knew what today was. I knew what was out here. Mud, all this. I do this for real. I already knew. I got my bag on, everything ready. We're on a real hiking trip. We finna head down here to this island though. Go see what's going on. Hold on. Look, we up under the bridge, man. For sure, for sure. I'm gonna make sure I'm gone by night. Hey, but downtown loud though right now. Y'all ready? And we loud, let go. We out here in the field, man. Gonna head to the other island. We live on the sand. What to do, man? Let's go. They said, oh, this ain't supposed to be over there. Huh?
This a turtle shell back.
Oh. We finding stuff out here. Say what? Let's see what else can we find, man. All this water is not supposed to be here, y'all.
Damn, boy, look at this fat ass fish. Look at this fish. Look. That's another fish, bro.
Oh, man. They drawing up out here, man. These are the fish. Somebody asked if they had fish. Here they go. They dying out, man. What's going on? What's going on? Ain't no telling what we might find. We got pictures. Another one. Another one. All this is supposed to be water. The fish is even drying out. This is crazy. Let's see what else can we find. Another one. These are the fish. Somebody asked about the fish. There they go. They dying out. Ain't no water in the river. Another one. Another one. Ain't no water in the river. Another one. Come on, man. I don't know what's going on. Another fish. That's all we seen is dead fish in this polluted, nasty Mississippi River, man. Only on Blackwood News. Y'all see the fish, man. Something going on. Something going on. Another one. Another fish. Dead fish right here, man. Oh, this is supposed to be water, but it is no water. They got fishes dying. Yep. Another one. You got fish all around this junk, bro. This is crazy. Y'all see where we at, though? Come on, man. Only on Blackwood News. Everything out here dying. The water polluted. Tell them what they doing on water no more. Shout out to Jackson, Mississippi, man. Ain't gonna tell them what they doing on water no more. But we live out here though. We damn near on an island. We do this for real. We on Blackwood News, man. Hey, how we get over there? Fuck that. We live, man. We had to take a real hiking journey just to get out here. Hey! Y'all see where we at, man. They got dead fish everywhere. There's no water. This is what's going on with the Mississippi River, man. We out here for real. Finna take the mob back. We checking out, man. And we live. Only on Blackwood News.